Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at FSLY. This is ticker FSLY. Now, FSLY has been trading for less than 200 days, and it's really kind of not been a fast trade. It's been probably a sleepy trade if you've been watching it. Stock has really just kind of been in a downtrend since September, but it looks like it may have found somewhat of a bottom. In the last two sessions, the stock gapped up above the 50-day moving average after getting an upgrade from an analyst that was sitting on the sidelines with the stock, not really covering it. Ever since then, the stock has held that gap and just kind of building a little bit of a flag pattern here, just sideways consolidation, holding these gains. So I think there's two potential trades here to watch for on FSLY. The first one is a pullback to the 50-day moving average. A pullback to right around $20.66. Something along those lines, just to test this breakout. And then your stop would be just below the 50-day moving average. So you're only risking about 2% if you do buy this on a pullback. Another setup could be a break of today's intraday high with a move above 22.10. I would look for at least a test of this high right there, right around 24 bucks. That's about 12%. Not a bad trade. Good for a cup of coffee. So there you go. Two potential setups with FSLY, ticker FSLY. I hope this works out for you. If you want charts like this delivered to your inbox daily, be sure and sign up at StockMarketMentor.com. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Have a great weekend.